Hi friends, this video shows how to reset this Qubo inflator. First we need to turn on. For that we need to press and hold this power button for 3 seconds. Press and hold the power button, then release. See, now this is on. After that I am going to reset. For that we need to press and hold this minus and plus buttons. These two buttons we need to press and hold together. So let me press and hold. So I am going to press and hold this minus and plus buttons together for 3 seconds. So now we can release. Done. So this way we can reset. So let me do one more time. Press and hold minus and plus buttons together. See, now we can release. Done. So this way we can reset. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.